Hey guys, it's jgadventure here, and for this year's Philippines vlog, I will be using two devices again, but I won't anymore use the iPad for recording. But I want to give you a little tour on my vlogs like I used before and a little history into it. So let's jump in. Every year we go to the Philippines since like 2014, and we never missed except for 3 years. So we missed 3 years, 2020 and 2021 because of coronavirus, 2025 because of family reasons that I'm not gonna even mention here because I also don't know what they are. I had the opportunity to do it in 2022, but I couldn't bring my tablet, so I could not vlog about it because my dad told me don't bring the tablet in 2022. But the following year in 2023, I got the opportunity to bring my tablet. But by the time I also got the phone, the Galaxy A14, which, yes, I actually used the A14, and believe it or not, my Huawei tablet, I used it as well for vlogging. Very tasty indeed. And the first video, like just getting there, both parts of the episode, they were edited on the Huawei tablet using Power Director. Like, no, they were literally using Power. I was literally using Power Director to edit the first episode. Then I edited the rest of the Philippines Vlog 2023 episodes with my computer. And yes, I was using CapCut. No, really, I was using CapCut. But yeah, it was a complete mess. And it also kick-started my vlog career, but I also realized it's too long. It's like 1 hour. That's a freaking movie at this point. But like, still, the fact that the first episode is like 1 hour long still surprises me, honestly. And so I'm glad that I shortened it in 2024 because yeah, I'm not gonna forget it. So for 2024, only a phone was used for the Philippines vlog 2024. So I used a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is my current phone at that time. So it was my main for the 2024 Philippines vlog, and was the only time I would rely on my phone because this year I want to do the filming and editing on two separate devices. So I will still be filming the vlog on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but now I'm going to use the iPad for video editing. And no, I will not film any portion of the vlog on the iPad because like it has terrible camera quality, so I'm just gonna use it for video editing. So I tried to record as well on a tablet back in 2023, and I noticed differences in the sound quality. We have arrived at the Philippines capital. Alright, I got my phone back now. It's at least chart at a good battery percent. I'm not gonna repeat that anymore because you know the difference now. And plus the camera quality on the tablet, probably it's much more worse. I will actually also be retiring the Huawei tablet. It was only with me for 2 years, but yeah, ultimately he's been replaced. Actually, in 2034, the Huawei was never used in the making of JJ Ventures Philippines vlog. But yeah, 2026 will mark the first time a tablet has been involved in the production of JJ Ventures Philippines vlog since 2023. You know, I would still be vlogging with my cell phone. This supposedly the device I was gonna be using to record my vlog last year, but because my dad didn't let me bring this one last year, I didn't vlog last year. So this time around, I can bring my phone so I can vlog. Oh, and also I don't, I don't, I don't get why I have an obsession over her. But as you can see, I have some games in here. Except now it's mostly the workstation for video editing and stuff like that. So that's it for today. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again when the vlogs begin. And maybe I might upload within May or June, but I'll also go for a scheduled weekly upload, hopefully, if I'll be able to manage it. So, see you! Yummy food. But wait, hold up, let me wash my hands.